Hello students, in this video we'll solve some problems related to derivatives. Before going to the problems, first see the basic formulas related to derivatives. The first one, d by dx of u plus v is equal to d by dx of u plus d by dx of v. Okay, we can separately differentiate the function. Second one is d by dx of uv is equal to u into v dash plus v into u dash. That means derivative of the first function into, that is first function into derivative of the second function plus second function into derivative of the first function. Third formula, d by dx of u by v, that is equal to v into u dash minus u into v dash divided by v square. That is second function, that is denominator into derivative of the numerator minus one minus itself there in the formula, then the numerator into derivative of the denominator divided by denominator whole square. And next, derivative of x to the power n, d by dx of x to the power n is equal to n into x to the power n minus 1. Next, d by dx of any constant k, its value is equal to 0. Derivative of numbers comes directly, numbers comes means we can write it's equal to 0. Next, the sixth formula, d by dx of 1 by x is equal to minus 1 divided by x square. This is the application of x to the power n formula. If you remember this value, directly you can substitute. Okay, d by dx of 1 by x is equal to minus 1 by x square. Next is d by dx of the trigonometric functions, that is sin x is equal to cos x. Next, d by dx of cos x is equal to minus sin x, and d by dx of tan x is equal to secant square x. Next, d by dx of cot x is equal to minus cosecant square x. Next one, d by dx of secant x is equal to secant x into tan x. And the next formula, d by dx of cosecant x is equal to minus cosec x into cot x. Okay, these are very important 12 formulas related to derivatives. See, find the derivative of the following. We can derive it directly because all our algebraic functions are given. See, take the first function, y is equal to x square minus 2. Then we are differentiating with respect to x. So y dash, or we can write it as dy by dx. Differentiation of y with respect to x, dy by dx is equal to x square. This is in the form x to the power n, that is n into x to the power n minus 1. Then the derivative of constant, that is 0. No x, right? So derivative equal to 0. If you simplify this one, dy by dx is equal to 2 into x to the power 2 minus 1 is 1. So that derivative is equal to 2x. Second question, see, 99x, derivative of 99x at x is equal to 100. So to calculate the derivative of 99x, so you can take f of x or y. If you taking f of x is equal to 99x, derivative is denoted by f dash of x. Can use dy by dx or f dash of any notation. So f dash of x is equal to, see, 99 into x. Don't write it's equal to 0. Here number is multiplied by x, right? So try 99 itself into, what is derivative of x? Derivative of x is equal to 1. D by dx of x value equal to 1. Okay, so 99 into 1, it's equal to 99. I got f dash of x is equal to 99. But question is at x is equal to 100 they asked. So f dash of, in place of x I need to substitute 100. F dash of 100 equal to, see, here there is no x to substitute 100 value, right? It is a constant function. So f dash of 100, its value will never change. It will be remains as 99 only. So f dash of 100 value also equal to 99. Next see x cube minus 27. Take f of x is equal to x cube minus 27. F dash of x is equal to x to the power n is n into x to the power n minus 1 minus, see here there is no into, here minus is there, minus only 27 is there. It is not multiplied by any x term, right? So it is a constant, so its value equal to 0. So f dash of x is equal to 3 into x to the power 3 minus 1, that is x square. So derivative is 3x square. Next 2x minus 3 by 4 is there. So take f of x is equal to 2x minus 3 by 4. F dash of x is equal to, see in the first sum 2 is multiplied with the x. So 2 into what is the derivative of x? Derivative of x is 1 minus, see here there is no x in the second term. So derivative of the constant term, that is 3 by 4 equal to 0. So that f dash of x value is equal to 2 into 1. Its value is equal to 2 itself. So suppose the question is a derivative of x. We need to find a derivative of x. Take f of x is equal to x. What is f dash of x? Derivative of x we already saw, right? Derivative of x is equal to 1 itself. See, next is derivative of the functions by u into v rule. Okay, product rule we need to use. Our formula is d by dx of u into v is equal to first function into derivative of the second function v dash plus second function into derivative of the first function, that is u dash. Apply that formula here. See, f of x is equal to x minus 1 into x minus 2 is there. Take this as u, this as v. So see, f dash of x differentiating with respect to x is equal to, first function will remain same, x minus 1 into derivative of v. Derivative of x is 1, derivative of minus 2 is 0. So that 1 minus 0 plus v. Second function is x minus 2 into derivative of the first function. This one, derivative of x is 1 minus derivative of 1 is 0. So that f dash of x is equal to x minus 1, 0 minus 1 minus 0 is 1. X minus 1 to 1 is x minus 1 plus see, x minus 2 into 1 minus 0. X minus 2 into 1 minus 0 is 1. X minus 2 into 1 is x minus 2. So if you add this one, see, x plus x is 2x. To minus 1 I need to add minus 2. Minus 1 minus 2, value will be equal to minus 3. So f dash of x is equal to 2x minus 3. See the next question. 5x cube minus 3x plus 1 into x minus 1 is there. So we need to apply d by dx of uv is equal to u into v dash plus v into u dash formula. So take this as u, this as v. So f dash of x is equal to, this is our u, this is our v. U is 5x cube plus 3x minus 1 into v dash. Differentiation of x is 1 minus differentiation of 1 is 0 plus v into, v is x minus 1 into u dash. Differentiation of this one, see, 5 outside into x cube is 3 into x square, right? N into x to the power n minus 1 plus again 3 into x is there. 3 into differentiation of x is 1 minus differentiation of 1, no x, so it is equal to 0. 5x cube 3x minus 1, 5x cube plus 3x minus 1 plus x minus 1 into, see, 5 3s are 15 x square plus 3 into 1 is 3. Okay, this will be the derivative. Next question, see, x to the power minus 3 into 5 plus 3x is there. D by dx of uv product we can see, right? U into v dash plus v into u dash. So f dash of x is equal to, see, u x to the power minus 3 into v dash, differentiation of 5 is 0, plus 3 into differentiation of x is 1, plus 5 plus 3x v into u dash, differentiation of x to the power minus 3 is n, that is minus 3 into x to the power n minus 1, so that we can get minus 3 minus 1. Simplify this one. F dash of x is equal to x to the power minus 3 into 0 plus 3, it's equal to 3, so that x to the power minus 3 into 3 plus 5 plus 3x into minus 3 into x to the power minus 3 minus 1 is minus 4. This will be the derivative for the given function. Next one, see, f of x is equal to x to the power 5 into 3 minus 6 x to the power minus 9 is given. Apply the formula. D by dx of uv is equal to u into v dash plus v into u dash. So here the first function is u, second function is v. So we can write it as f dash of x is equal to, see, u, that is x to the power 5 into v dash, differentiation of the second function. Differentiation of 3 is 0, minus 6 into x to the power minus 9 is there. X to the power n is n into x to the power n minus 1. So that minus 9 into x to the power minus 9 minus 1 plus v into 3 minus 6 x to the power minus 9 into u dash x to the power 5, that is n into x to the power n minus 1. So that 5 into x to the power 5 minus 1, that's equal to 4. So simplify this one. F dash of x is equal to x to the power 5 into, see, minus into this minus will be plus, so that we can write plus 9 into x to the power minus 9 minus 1, minus 9 minus 9, it's equal to minus 10. So we can write, let's say, 6 into 9, it's equal to 54 x to the power minus 10 plus 3 minus 6 x to the power minus 9 into 5 x to the power 4. This will be the derivative. Next question, x to the power minus 4 into 3 minus 4 x to the power minus 5 is there. Here, see, f of x is equal to x to the power minus 4 into 3 minus 4 x to the power minus 5. So apply the product rule. D by dx of u into v is equal to u into v dash plus v into u dash. So the first form, see, f dash of x is equal to u, that is x to the power minus 4 into v dash, differentiation of 3 is 0, minus 4 into 4 is outside, differentiate x to the power minus 5, that is minus 5 into x to the power minus 5 minus 1 plus v value is 3 minus 4 x to the power minus 5 v into u dash, differentiation of x to the power minus 4, that is minus 4 into x to the power minus 4 minus 1. Now simplify this one. F dash of x is equal to x to the power minus 4 into, see, minus 4 into minus 5 is plus 20, then x to the power minus 5 minus 1 equal to minus 6 plus, see, 3 minus 4 x to the power minus 5 into minus 4 into x to the power minus 4 minus 1, it's equal to minus 5. This will be the derivative of the given function.